What's going on, everybody? This is Garrett with Meras Water Solutions. Today we're out here in beautiful Santa Barbara County walking some vineyards. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about indicators that your system might be suffering from poor distribution uniformity and what that could look like out in the field. Let's jump into it. One of the first things I like to check in vineyards is riser screens. Now I know what water quality is out here on this particular vineyard because I pulled water samples myself and I've evaluated those results. But if you're just walking around out in the field, this is a great thing to check out is your riser screens. Now I just pulled apart this riser. We can see that there's quite a bit of biological material, possibly even fertilizer in this riser screen itself. And then I also know that this water quality suffers from iron. You can see just a staining on this drip system. And if we look down in the riser itself, we can see quite a bit of iron build up in that tubing itself. Now some people will opt to even just pull these out completely depending on the type of irrigation system they have. These are inline emitters, so I kind of suggest to keep these in because it keeps larger debris out. But as you can see, this riser screen is starting to build up quite a bit of material on the inside and the outside. Something you always want to take a peek at. Another great indicator as you're walking out in the field is to look at your irrigation lines. You can see that there's a bit of calcium buildup on this emitter here, as well as some iron. A lot of times, left untreated, these can completely clog with that precipitate and you prevent this emitter from operating efficiently. Another great way to evaluate if you have biological material going through your water is to look at the filter on these sand media filters. As you can see, there's a significant amount of iron in the water. If we look at the filter, there's a bit of iron buildup.